Insecure direct object reference is a type of access control vulnerability that occurs when an attacker manipulates object identifiers to access application objects that should not be available to him. Let's explore this vulnerability through an example. Alright, so let's start with what we're looking at here. We've got a simple web app running on localhost port 3000. We have 3 users here: Leslie, Nicole, and Kevin. They're all using the app, and on this main page there's a button that says My Profile. Makes sense. You click it, you see your profile. Super straightforward. So let's watch what happens when each of them clicks on it. First up is Leslie. They click My Profile and boom, they land on their profile page. The URL shows localhost :profile?ID equals 1. Cool, so Leslie is user ID 1. Nicole clicks the same button and gets to their profile. Notice the URL now? It says ID equals 2, so Nicole is user ID 2. Everyone's seeing their own profile. Everything seems to be working fine. I'm logged in as Leslie right now. I click on My Profile, and there's my profile page with ID equals 1 in the URL. Now watch this. I'm just gonna go up to the address bar and change that 1 to a 2. I hit enter and oh wow, look at that. I'm now looking at Nicole's profile. I can see all of Nicole's information, and this is insecure direct object reference vulnerability. I see the application object that should not be available for me.